Kain guys. Ngayon lang sa'yo?
Parang busog eh.
So, gutom. Kasi kumain ka kagabi ng rice na. May pool pala dito. Anong flavor?
Oh, calamansi.
Lime. Sarap. Okay, dito na kami. Order muna kami while waiting for check-in kasi 2 p.m. pa. 1 pa lang. So, may 1 hour pa kami. Order kami. Ano to? Tiramisu. Mousse. Tas, so, di ba may welcome drink kami ganito? Bumili ulit siya.
Gusto ko ganito eh.
May dahon lang. So, ayun. 3 drink namin. Medyo matagal kami mag-aantay. Mga 1 hour. So, andito kami sa bago naming hotel. Kaka-check-in lang namin. At mag-tour na tayo. Kwarto. We're on 8th floor. Tour mo naman kami. Ano nakalagay? Make today. Pasok mo, makikita mo na yung kitchen. Super nice. Oh, tignan nyo. May microwave. Tapos, ayun yung CR. Tapos, dito. Tignan nyo naman room namin, oh. So, may workstation dito. At ito yung full body mirror. Ito yung view niya, oh. Corner room siya. Yan. Kaya super liwanag siya pagka gising mo. Ito yung bed. Tapos, meron ditong couch. And, ang cute naman ito, oh. Tapos, may TV. And another window. And another table. Ang cute. And, table pa dito. And closet area. Yan siya. Tignan natin yung view.
Ang puno oh.
Oo, ang tataas ng puno dito. Tingnan nyo. Nasa 8th floor kami. So, ayan yung view namin. Tapos, tingnan natin yung ceiling. O, ayan siya. Ganda, oh. Tapos, ito yung CR. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda. Yung toilet. Ang cute ng toilet. Ayan siya. Yung cover niya lang. Pinapakita talaga. Ang cute niya. Tapos, shower lang siya. Oh, magpupo ka, oh. Pwede ka may view. Kaso kita ka rin. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Tapos, ito yung shower. And then, ayan. Lang. Saan yung ref? Ito? Ah, ito pala yung ref. So, ayun lang ang aming room tour.
In these quiet hours, I feel at ease, like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips, the sun steps away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free.
Hindi na po siya nakaintay ng aming tour for dinner. Ay, di ba nagla-lunch? Kasi nagtapos lang siya mag-gym eh. Binurn niya yung banh mi. Tapos kumakain ulit siya ng banh mi. Ay, hindi pala banh mi yan. Tuna sandwich. Sarap. Watch lang. Motorbike.
magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me.
This is rice with the real with the real.
A quiet laugh, the softest breeze. The world's at peace in moments like these. I sip my coffee, feel the warmth inside, letting the day just gently glide. The sun dips low, the shadows play. Everything
Inside,
slows down,
we have
it's the perfect
beans
day.
brown
Right.
and green bean here and some pork and shrimp. A lot of people we will eat the cell of the shrimp, but you don't like. I will take the cell for you also. So now.
Bring a smile to me like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments, I feel new. And all I need is right here too. No rush, no race, just the afternoon glow. In this gentle time, I let everything flow. The world keeps turning, but I stand still, caught in the magic, the quiet thrill. In these sweet moments, I find my place. In the warmth of the sun, with a smile on my face.
And this one also garlic. Yep.